Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix you exceed the number of attempts on the Twitter. So if you facing this error, you can simply follow this step. So first of all, if you are facing this, open your Google Chrome and search for the help.twitter, and here you will see help with locked or limited. Click on it. So here you will see Twitter said they will lock your account due to the several reason. Maybe they detected some suspicious activity from your account, or you can log in with wrong password again and again. So Twitter locked your password. Try in a half or 1 hour later to log in again, or you can simply on this page click on the changing your password now. Change your password now. Also you can simply log into your account and you will see your account has been locked or something like this, or you can exceed the number of attempts. So you can simply read from here from the help center to fix your issue. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.